Here's Lucas. He's such a big boy. Do your head bang, Lucas. Head bang. You're so cute. Head bang, head bang. Yay! Clap. Clap hands. Come on, clap hands. Yay! He's got his new rubber socks on. He's not sure what to make of these things. What do you think, buddy? Bop. Is that your laptop? What you doing, buddy? Are you pushing all the buttons? Oh, okay. What are these things on my feet? Hey, Lucas. Clap hands. Clap hands. Clap, 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 clap. Oh, come on. Clap hands for me. Clap, clap, clap. Oh. All I see is little rubber socks. Hi. Oh, fussy fuss pants. Can't you clap for me? Clap hands. Clap, 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 clap. I guess you're not in the mood to clap. Ooh, Mommy's holding a pillow. Lucas is 10.5 months old. Oh, what are you doing? What you looking for? What are these things on my feet? I don't understand.